Hey, this is Cleet over at Asheville Trash to Treasures. We're located at 122 Sweeten Creek Road, just outside Biltmore Village. We're an antique consignment resale shop offering vintage, antiques, new and used home decor and furnishings. We're open from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. and we also make reservations for U-Haul trucks. So if you're moving locally or long distance in western North Carolina, we'd certainly appreciate your call and we'll help you get in a moving truck for move day. As you can see here, we have our cargo van for just $19.95. That rents here for small apartment or business moves, you know, just shuffling stuff around town. Great for delivering a sofa, you know, just a dresser, just a small load. That's a 9-foot cargo van. And we also have a big selection of other moving trucks. We have our 26-foot truck, a 20-foot truck, a 17-foot truck, 15-foot truck, and a 10-foot truck as well. We rent auto transports and tow dollies, and we have an open ramp trailer, great for hauling motorcycles. We also have a big selection of trucks that are for sale. Here's a 10-foot truck and a 17-foot truck. We also have a 14-foot truck available as well. We also have a garden section. We just arrived some birdhouses, and we have plant stands and planters, and we have an